Approximately 1 year after the launch of the previous generation in Beijing, Vivo has now introduced its latest flagship option, the Vivo X300 series, directly in Shanghai, China. Once again offering the best camera capabilities, it comes in only 2 variants, one of which is particularly appealing. Yes, as previously rumored, Vivo did not release a Pro Mini variant of the Vivo X300 series. Instead, it brought the Mini variant and merged it into the standard version, making the Vivo X300 a compact smartphone option, but still with 3 superior camera sensors on the back, including a 200-megapixel main sensor. Nevertheless, the X300 Pro will remain the superior choice. Compared to its predecessor, the flagship camera sensor of the best Vivo smartphone at the end of 2025 has been further enhanced. It uses a new sensor and gimbal-level stabilization, making it even more suitable for producing higher-quality video content. It also features a fresher design.
As a more advanced option, the Vivo X300 Pro offers a number of comprehensive improvements in terms of performance, camera, and design. Available in 4 colors, black, brown, blue, white, the Vivo X300 Pro is less than 8mm thick and weighs 226 grams, which is slightly heavier, but feels a little more compact thanks to the use of a flat screen with thinner bezels on all 4 sides. It also retains its IP68 or IP69 certification. Yes, the Vivo X300 Pro screen no longer has curves on all 4 sides, but it still measures 6.78 inches with an 8T LTPO AMOLED 120Hz panel, and it has received a number of certifications from SGS, TÜV Rheinland, Dolby Vision, and Netflix HDR. It is paired with stereo speakers and a larger battery, reaching 6,510 mAh. The Vivo X300 Pro battery supports 90-watt flash charge and 40-watt wireless flash charge, a slight decrease in numbers, but at least the battery capacity has increased, making it more suitable for capturing daily moments. Regarding this, the Vivo X300 Pro is equipped with 4 ZEISS sensors, 3 at the back and 1 at the front. With a 200-megapixel ZEISS APO telephoto camera as the flagship from the previous generation, it offers 3.5 times optical zoom. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-228, which now features a gimbal-grade stabilization system. Meanwhile, both the ultra-wide-angle and selfie cameras now use a 50-megapixel JN1 sensor with autofocus support, allowing the Vivo X300 Pro to produce photos and vlogs from the front camera with much better quality. There are quite a few new hardware and software features specifically designed for the Vivo X300 Pro's camera. Starting from the Vivo VS1 chip, Stage Mode, which now supports 4K resolution, dual-view stage video, to a special option for pairing a teleconverter kit like on the Vivo X200 Ultra. Image processing is also made smooth thanks to the use of the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage.
Moving on to its younger sibling, the standard version of the Vivo X300 also brings a number of improvements from the previous generation, the X200 Pro Mini. There are many similarities with the Pro version, from the chipset, the use of the latest Origin OS 6, to the charging speed. Of course, the battery capacity of the Vivo X300 is smaller. Although, in fact, a 6040 mAh battery is already very large for a smartphone with a 6.31-inch screen. Regarding the camera, the Vivo X300 uses the 200-megapixel sensor from the X300 Pro's telephoto lens as its main sensor, paired with a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-602 as a 3x optical zoom periscope sensor, which now supports closer focusing distances thanks to its conventional square sensor design.
and still uses two 50-megapixel JN1 sensors for the ultra-wide and selfie cameras. Its camera features remain comprehensive, including 4K stage all-in-one recording and multifocal portrait snapshot. Interestingly, both the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro now support the teleconverter kit accessory, a zoom lens-like accessory that debuted on the X200 Ultra, offering portrait photos and videos with maximum clarity at greater distances. The difference is that the standard version of the kit is just a case for attaching the lens, while the X300 Pro version comes with a grip and several buttons such as shutter, zoom, and video recording. The Vivo X300 is priced at $616, while the Vivo X300 Pro is priced at $743. Although it has been launched in Shanghai, unfortunately, there is still no information regarding its availability in Indonesia. Let's wait for further developments in the coming weeks.